Hey everyone, welcome to Venture University. I'm Venture University's founder, Jay Skylar Fernandez. I'm going to use this opportunity to give you a quick background on Venture University and try to answer some of the common key questions that we frequently get about the program. So what is Venture University? Venture University is an investor accelerator program. It has now grown to be the world's leading investor accelerator for the industry. Really for people that are interested at breaking into venture capital, private equity, and angel investing. The program has two core parts. We have the academic program as well as the investment apprenticeship program. The academic program has three core parts. It has a VCPE masterclass, which can be taken both virtually or in person at our San Francisco office. We have our advanced VCPE modules, which there are 18 of. And we have fireside chats where every week we do 2 fireside chats with VC investors, PE investors, and angel investors, as well as founders. And lastly, we have the ability where you can again take the program either live, in person, or you can also take the on-demand version where you can watch the content at your own schedule and join Wednesday night Q&A sessions for people that are looking for a more flexible schedule. So that's the academic side, those 3 core parts. On the investment apprenticeship side, that program is 10 weeks long and it happens once a quarter. So you can join Venture University for either 1 quarter or up to 4 quarters. During that time, you will be part of a deal sourcing team, either on one of our 6 deal sourcing teams. We have the consumer team and the enterprise team, our 2 generalist teams. We also have the fintech team that focuses on financial services, as well as includes things like blockchain, crypto, and NFTs. Then we have our healthcare team, which focuses on digital healthcare, medical devices, biotechnology, and pharma. We have our frontier team that looks at advanced AI, advanced robotics, advanced materials, and space technology, as well as our prop tech team for residential, commercial, and real estate technology and construction technology. So individuals will join one of those 6 deal sourcing teams and then focus on both deal sourcing and due diligence. Every quarter, we source and evaluate roughly 5,000 companies, and we narrow that down to about 3 to 5 companies that we invest in. The nice great thing about the program is everybody in the program gets a piece of the upside in all of the deals that we invest in during the quarter. And if you are an accredited investor yourself, there's no management fee and no carry for co-investing alongside the fund in each of those opportunities. The benefit is that you get to really build out a track record for yourself. So if you're with us for a quarter, you'll be making 3 to 5 new portfolio company investments. If you're with us for a year, you'll make up to about 20 portfolio company investments and really building out that track record. The difference is when you're going off then and looking to join other venture capital and private equity funds, people that have just done an MBA program, they're basically during interviews saying that I want to do venture capital, but they've never actually done it. People that are graduating from Venture University can actually speak from experience. So they can talk about the companies that they've sourced and done due diligence on. They can talk about the companies that they've passed on, as well as talking about the companies that they've invested in and why they chose to invest in those companies. And if you think about why someone gets hired for a job, you get hired a lot more for the work experience that you have previously, not just your knowledge base academically. And that's really where Venture University is kind of an innovative version of what a university is. We're really learning by doing. We certainly have a very robust, strong academic program, but we also are providing the quality work experience as well that will help you land the next job within the venture capital and private equity industry. To support that, we do a few things. One is that we work with all the individuals on updating their resumes. We also do interview prep. And at the end of every quarter, we do a thing called VCPE Career Day, where we have a large number of VC and PE funds that are recruiting from Venture University's current cohort and alumni, where you can go on and then interview. We did about 190 plus interviews last quarter, and a pretty strong success. About 2/3 of the people that have graduated from Venture University are now working at other venture capital and private equity funds. About 25% of the cohort are also looking at launching their own fund and are emerging fund managers. And another 25% of the cohort are angel investors and family offices that are looking at professionalizing their direct investment experience or becoming LPs in other funds. So far, we've now graduated about 375 individuals from Venture University over the last 3 years. We're going to be growing to about 1,000 alumni over the next 3 years. For those that are joining us, you'll be part of our investment fund called VU Venture Partners, where we're making early stage investments in kind of pre-seed, seed, and growth stage companies, where we're investing anywhere from $100,000 to $1 million per company. And we're also looking to do follow-on rounds. We'll put up to $10 million in any one company. So you get to be part of an actual venture capital fund with individuals that have a strong track record of success. So between myself, my partner Andrew, and James, about 45 years of venture capital experience, where we were some of the earliest and largest investors in about 17 unicorns, including companies like Beyond Meat, Facebook, Twitter, Uber, Venmo, Palantir, Wish, and Oscar. So really learning from people that have been successful in the industry is a huge leg up when it comes to having a faster feedback loop in how to know how to do the venture capital industry. If you're interested in applying, please go to our website. We have a rolling admissions process where we're accepting people on an ongoing basis into the upcoming cohorts. And again, you have the opportunity of joining us either for 1 quarter or up to 4 quarters. And we welcome you to joining the VU family. Thank you guys so much. If you have any questions, please feel free to follow up with our head of admissions and they can answer any additional questions that you have. Thank you.